For a very long time, I struggled with a severe form of acne. I tried several products to remedy my condition, but none of them worked. I then started researching more about it, and to my dismay, I found out that most products now on the market contain harmful chemicals. I then started experimenting with natural ingredients and came up with this cream. I started using it, and within a few months, it actually cleared up my skin. And it was at that moment that Simply Natural Malawi was born. We are a skin and hair care line specializing in products that are made using natural ingredients. As an entrepreneur, you solve problems, not only by creating jobs, but also by offering solutions to needs that haven't been met yet. And this aspect is so exciting to me, so much so that I'm always looking for ways in which I can fill gaps out there.